push down.
Doesn't hurt. You just feel it, like the pressure.
No tightness down here.
No.
Okay, good. Cross your legs when you sit, or sit on any of your legs.
Sometimes. Oh.
I'm gonna have you turn on your side and face me. So turn on to the left side.
Am I laying the right way?
Yeah, I'll position you.
Okay.
Just hug yourself like you love yourself. Bring your hips close to this side. You're gonna feel like you're falling, but you won't. And if you do, it's only a couple of. Oh my god, just kidding.
Oh.
Good.
Jesus. Lord mercy.
That was a good one.
Turn on to side face me.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
I like this. Thank you.
All right.
Bring your hips a little bit closer. Straighten out that bottom leg. Nice. And on your back. What are you thinking?
I don't know.
Is there an emoji for me? You don't look confused, you just look lost.
I'm so lost right now.
You're in the zone.
Oh.
Sit down neck. Can I at least get the ribs up here?
Mhm.
Can I go face down?
Woo. I'm not worried about my arms.
On the floor. You may want to get the head nurse too if you can.
Just tell her to send it.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
And your legs slide down towards your feet. Right, perfect. And look up.
Oh. Oh.
Look up and drop your head. Slide up a little bit.
Myself getting stuck in between.
Do you use the little spongy thing?
No.
Really? Then how do you do it? Use a sock?
Oh, my hair?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about my shoulders. Yeah, I use the socks.
Oh, okay. Is a little kid out there? That was my wrist.
I just said that. Oh yeah, that says definitely hurt. Like I'm too young to have these problems. Oh Lord mercy, wow.
The stress.
It's prime content right now.
Relaxing.
I'm like, I'm in trouble. Somebody pinching me.
Oh, God. Okay. Relax.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That wasn't even an adjustment. Relax. Wow. You go so easy.
Wait, we're not done?
No.
Oh Lord.
I'm just gonna check the other side. That's it.
Woo. I feel like a new woman.
I'm alive.
Ooh.